Quantitative research. So a few factors, including the research topic, study type, constraint, budget, accessibility of data, and availability of respondents, must be taken into consideration while choosing the best research methodology. Quantitative research and qualitative research are the two basic categories of research methodology. While the goal of quantitative research is to validate or test a theory or hypothesis, the goal of qualitative research is to comprehend a subject, even or uncover causes for patterns that have been seen. The process of gathering and interpreting numerical data is known as quantitative research. It can be used to identify trends and averages, formulate hypotheses, examine causality, and extrapolate findings to larger populations. We will learn more about quantitative research in this particular section. The process of gathering data and also the non-numerical data, such as text, video, and audio, is a part of qualitative research, and numerical data is a part of quantitative research. We can define this quantitative research as the met- methodical gathering and analysis of data from a variety of respondents that are based on numerical values, followed by the analysis of the data to produce the result using a variety of mathematical, statistical, and computational tools. Observing events that have an impact on the sample population, a particular set of people, requires the use of quantitative research tools. In this kind of research, different kinds of numerical data are gathered using a variety of techniques, and then statistical analysis is used to aggregate, compare, and reveal links between the data. Questionnaires, organized observations, and experiments are all examples of quantitative research methodology. We'll understand the two examples roughly of quantitative research. First could be customer satisfaction questionnaires that a business set out following the revision of its customer service programs. On a rating system from 1, that could be bad, and 5, which is outstanding. Customer asked to review their whole experience. A second example we'll consider a school that has launched a brand new after school program for kids. And few months after it started, the school sent feedback forms to the parents who had signed up earlier. Typically, these surveys ask close-ended questions with a yes or no option or definite responses. This aids in a quick evaluation of the program's success and reach. So, this is how you can implement your quantitative research while doing your research.